In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment form in Tally. So, all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started on setting up a smooth and efficient payment system for you and your customers. First, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Tally.so and hit enter. You'll want to click on the correct link to head to their website. Once you're there, you'll either need to log in with your existing account information or create a new account if you don't already have one. Logging in will take you straight to your personal dashboard where you can manage all your forms. Now that you're on your dashboard, find the option to create a new form. Clicking New Form is your cue to start the process from scratch. You might see other templates, but for this quick tutorial, we'll be building everything fresh to give you maximum flexibility. Once you have your blank canvas, it's time to add a payment block. Tally.so makes this process simple. Type /payment directly into the form to quickly insert the payment block, or alternatively, click the plus button at the side. This will open up additional options where you can manually select payment. Select it, and watch your payment block appear like magic. Now, let's move on to configuring the payment details. In this section, you'll enter the price for your product or service. Make sure to select the appropriate currency that matches your business needs and your customers' expectations. Having these details correct is crucial for ensuring smooth transactions. Next up, integration with Stripe. Click the Connect to Stripe button within the payment block. If you're new to Stripe, no worries. You'll need to create a free Stripe account at this point. Simply follow the guided steps on Stripe's website to set up your account. Once you're done, come back to Tally.so and complete the integration. This connection is the backbone of processing secure payments directly through your form. After you've double-checked everything and are satisfied with how your form looks and functions, it's time to make it live. Click Publish, and just like that, your payment form is ready to be shared. With your form live, you can now direct clients or customers to this link for smooth, secure payments. And there you have it. An easy way to create a payment form in Tally.so in just a few minutes. Remember, setting up a streamlined payment process can significantly enhance your business's efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.